Welcome back, guys, to my first Fortnite video. So, comment down below, and also turn on your notifications to join the notification squad. The people who did, shout out to these people. Vannmelon. Just vannmelon. Vannmelon. You have some bad graphics. You guys gotta agree. Like, I like Fortnite, but these graphics are bad.
Oh, I lost a lot of health there. That was really dumb.
Alright, guys, so that just kicked me out.
No. I don't need all of them.
So, we will be waiting for maybe like a few minutes. Alright, guys, so
he wanted to show that I got a minigun, like, right here.
You see that? She got a legendary minigun.
I don't have the best gun.
So, guys, we will be waiting. We've been waiting for not that long, actually.
Still a while, though.
Yeah. It's been a while since we've been waiting. Alright. So, we gotten better. And we led to a server of 98. Oh, I'm part of MLG's skills right when I walked to him.
Help! No, I died!
Shoot, what just happened? I spawned in Fortnite.
No, he's not going to. Mom, I got the best gun in Fortnite. My partner gave it to me. It was really cool, honey.
Yeah.
Why was it in the water? Is that your home?
Yeah.
Go to the pantry.
Yeah.
Baby has his little bottle. He has some little milk syrup. And Pediasure.
Alright.
Look at where the spoiler is at.
It's all the way in the back in there.
Yes, the peanut.
I don't like this guy. I don't like my partner. He's snobby. And yes? I heard
Put
my
it
name.
all the way on the very top shelf.
Huh?
Why would you put it on the very top shelf?
I did.
Well, that's where the milk was at.
Well, why did you expect me?
Because I told you to put them away. Alan, Ben! Hey! Ben! Hey, Alan!
Alright. I'll close the door.
Is he really building? You do not know how to build, bro.
I am back. I'm sorry, guys.
Oh my god, are you dumb?
Are you dumb or are you dumb?
He's jumping over the lake.
So he is dumb, right? But which one? Is he dumb or is he
broke down
dumb?
an entire house and he's jumping over the lake.
Yes, he's the smartest man in the universe. Sophia, he's the smartest man in the universe. I am still safe. Oh, no one is my partner because my partner died.
I'm gonna drown underwater.
God is the wide.
You better come save me.
You're gonna drown.
Maybe I can make it.
I think he's
If
in.
he's coming, I'm not gonna call him a snobby female dog anymore. Because that's what I'm thinking about in my brain, and you know that I am then.
What?
I'm thinking of this guy as a snobby female dog.
Yeah.
Bro, save me! He's right there, and he's not doing anything. Save me! Save me! Okay, now? Okay, good.
Oh, he's trying to hide you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Oh, he gave me stuff. Yeah, and then he gave me stuff to help me. Oh.
That's nice. I need some guns. I don't have any guns.
We're just both playing Fortnite, but not together.
Yeah, that's the worst part.
If you could, would you be my partner?
Yeah.
Why though? I suck at this game.
Alright, guys. So we're gonna have to end the video right here because I don't want to make it too long. So bye.